Welcome back to Scotty's Lifestyle, and today I'm going to be making some callaloo and saltfish. And someone has requested that I made this dish, so I'm finally getting a chance to do it today. So this is my callaloo. I bought this callaloo from a farmer, freshly picked, and I also prepared it myself. I clean it up, wash it, and cut it up. I washed it in salt water, but most of you will be getting your callaloo from the supermarket already cut up like this. But the important thing to note, you still need to wash your callaloo when you buy it cut up from the supermarket, and most of you will be getting it from a tin. So these are all the ingredients that I will be using. This is my saltfish already pre-prepared, and if you don't know how to do this, you can watch my ackee and saltfish video where I give you a detailed step-by-step on how to do this. Here I have some bell peppers, and here I have some garlic, scallion, and Scotch bonnet pepper, and I also have some pimento berries. I'm using about 7 pimento berries because you don't want to use too much, because if you use too much when you're eating the callaloo, you'll be biting on them. And here I have some tomato, some fresh thyme, and I have also some onion. So these are all the ingredients that I'm going to be using to make my callaloo and saltfish. So I'm just going to go ahead and transfer my callaloo into a bowl and then show you the cooking process. And guys, callaloo is pretty simple to cook. It don't take a lot of time to cook. You need at least 10 to 15 minutes or even less. So just let me show you how to get this done. So here's the callaloo transferred into the bowl, and guys, remember when you're washing your callaloo, use salt in order to get rid of any worm or anything that is on it. And always remember to wash your callaloo properly. Even when you buy it cut up, wash it. Alright? Okay, so here I have my pan to cook my callaloo. So the first I'm going to do, I'm going to add some oil to the pot. Guys, you don't need a lot of oil. This is okay. I just need this oil to saute the veggies. Alright guys, now that my oil is heated, I'm going to saute my veggies. So I'm just going to add in my scallion and garlic along with my pimento berries and the Scotch bonnet pepper. And I'm going to add my onion and my tomato. And guys, we just need to saute these for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add my sweet pepper. Also adding my fresh thyme. And guys, all of this is just to give the callaloo some flavor. And it's always good to use a lot of natural seasoning. And as you can see, I love natural seasonings. And as I said before guys, callaloo do not take long to cook. So it's gonna be quick and easy. Really fast. I'm going to add my saltfish. This is looking so lovely guys, and it smells good. All of that aroma from all the different seasoning in here just smells awesome. Okay guys, so it's now 3 minutes. I'm going to add my callaloo. want to do, you want to add some. Bring your flame down. What you want to do, you want to add some, then you want to mix that up. You just want to add the rest on top. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm just going to cover it and just let it steam. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a foil paper over my pot. The reason I'm doing that is because on my pot you have a little hole on it to let out the steam, but I don't want the steam to be escaping. I want it to be trapped inside so the callaloo can steam quicker, and that will reduce our cooking time and let it steam properly. So I'm just going to add foil paper over the pot. Ensure that the pot is sealed properly. What I'm going to do, I'm going to turn my flame down and let this steam for the first 5 minutes, and then I'm going to open it up and add some salt and some black pepper and also a slice of butter. Alright, so stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, it's now 5 minutes. So I'm gonna mix it up. Small piece of butter, like an ice cube size. I'm going to add a little salt, not much. Remember the saltfish is there. So I'm going to add about this amount and sprinkle it all over. You don't want to get it too salt, and it all depends on how long you would have boiled your saltfish for to get out the salt. So I'm also going to be adding some black pepper. One last thing that I'm going to add is some all-purpose season, and you don't necessarily have to add an all-purpose season to yours, but I just like the little flavor that it gives me when I add it to mine. So I'm going to add a small amount, not much, because if you add too much it will overpower the taste of the callaloo. So about this amount is good enough for me. Just going to add a little bit more. And you just want to stir this up. And guys, the callaloo is almost cooked already. I'm just going to leave it on for another 6 to 8 minutes, and then I'm going to turn it off. Remember guys, keep your flame down on medium low and just let it steam. So it's now 6 minutes. So it is ready, and I'm going to turn it off. So you see see guys, it do not take long to make. This has been cooking now for about roughly 12 minutes, 12 to 14 minutes, so it's all ready and done. I'm just going to turn it off. Guys, this is how you make callaloo and saltfish. So this is it guys. What you can do when you finish, all you have to do, you can just remove the thyme because you don't want to plate it. You don't need it no more, you can just take it out. So guys, tell me what you think about this callaloo and saltfish. And I will be having this with some boiled banana and yellow yam and boiled dumpling. And this is a typical Jamaican breakfast menu, but it's also really good with fried dumplings. So just try it and let me know. And you can even have this with bread, like make a sandwich with it. This is my callaloo and saltfish. I'm going to plate it and show you. Guys, this is the finished product. Callaloo and saltfish with boiled dumpling and banana and yellow yam. So as I said before, this is a typical Jamaican breakfast. So most restaurants will serve callaloo and saltfish for breakfast here in Jamaica. So just tell me what you think about this recipe. And like, share, and drop a comment and tell me what you want me to make next, and I will definitely make it.